Let's manually create a summary in Word. So, let's say that you have your project already written. And you want to include a summary, which is a common practice, correct? Which is commonly used in books, scientific works, and other types of documents.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
And for that, you want to add your summary. So, let's add here. Let's write, for example, title. O1 heading. O2 and title. So 3. Once that's done, let's define a style. Let's use this style here, for example. Once you have defined the style, you can add a list with multiple levels. Let's add the summary here. Now let me add a period. You give a tab to put 1.1, 1, 1.1, 1.1, 1.1. It becomes easier once we define it this way. Now under References, choose O1 and set it to level 1. O2 and level 2. And O3 and level 3. Once that's done, here in References, I'm going to add a summary. Note that it has already inserted our text here. But let's say I want to use a different term instead of title. I'm going to insert, for example, logistics. Here, I'm going to insert logistics. And here, cost per trip. But you might be wondering why it wasn't updated, and that's the big secret. It's asking me if I want to update just the page number or the entire index. I want to update the entire index. Once you do that, the update is already applied. So, if I scroll down and switch to another tab, I can add coffee as an example. And it'll add a style to it. Coffee and put a list of several levels. Let me add a new one. Then, I'll go ahead and add it as a level 1 heading here. And I'm going to request an update for everything. No changes needed. The translation accurately reflects the context and is already modern colloquial. And inserted it on page 2 where it now resides. So, one way to insert an automatic summary is like this. No need to make all the changes manually. Let's say you're going to manually handle everything. No need to do it manually, it's done automatically. If you modify a title or a letter, it will update automatically. Let's say I write it with an L, and you notice it's incorrect. You can simply make updates here, and they will be automatically reflected.